Hello, in front of me I've got Vespa Primavera. In this video I'll show you how to drive a Vespa. In the beginning, let's put the key into ignition, enter ignition mode. Now press the brake and now you can start the car. Also make sure that this red button is switched to the right side. Now in order to drive the Vespa, you have to sit on it and simply tilt the acceleration stick. Next you can enable high beam by switching this button left, or blink high beam by switching it right. In order to use turn signals, switch this button left for left turn signal, right for right turn signal, and to turn it off, press this button. Also, you can use horn by using this button. To change trip display on the display, you have to simply press the mode button. If you want to turn off your Vespa, switch this button left. Next we've got brakes, the first brake and the second brake. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.